So guys, Doji candlestick pattern. A Doji from when the open and close of a security are virtual equal. The length of the upper and lower shadow can vary and a resulting candlestick look like each other across. Invited cross a plus sign. Doji conversation of indication or thunk of war between buyer and seller. Price move about below the opening level during the session but close at near the opening level. So guys, Dragonfly Doji candlestick pattern, a bullish candlestick pattern, open high and long lower shadow. A doji where the open and close price at the high of the day. Like other dojis days, this is a normally operates the market turning point because a Dragonfly Doji candlestick pattern is bullish candlestick pattern. So guys, evening doji star pattern, a 3-day bearish reverse pattern similar to evening star. The upgrade continuously with large wide body. The next day open higher trade in small range. The close at open doji star next day close blue in the midpoint of the day of the first day. So guys, long legged doji candlestick pattern. This candlestick has long upper and lower shadows with the doji in the middle of the day's trading range, clearly reflecting indication of traders.